In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a document with Gemini in Google Docs using simple steps. We'll walk through the entire process, so if you're unfamiliar with how to use Gemini, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's get started, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate this tool with confidence. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This is your starting point for accessing all things Google, including Google Docs. Once you're on the Google homepage, type Google Docs into the search bar and hit enter. You'll find this is one of the quickest ways to locate the Google Docs website if you don't already have it bookmarked. Now, locate the link to the official Google Docs webpage and click on it. This will take you directly to Google Docs, where you can create and manage all your documents. On the Google Docs page, you'll see options to create various types of documents. For our purposes, let's click on the blank document option. This opens up a fresh canvas for whatever you wish to create. With your blank document opened, draw your attention to the top left corner, where you'll find the File menu. Click on it, which will bring up several options. From here, select New. This action allows you to access additional functionalities provided by Google Docs. Within the New submenu, you'll notice an option labeled Help Me Create. Clicking on this option is key to employing Google Gemini's capabilities within your document. What this feature does is assist you in crafting structured and insightful content, making your document creation process much more efficient. At this stage, you'll want to input your prompt. Your prompt should clearly outline the content you wish to create. For example, say you're planning a marketing strategy around a new product launch, like a strawberry and matcha drink aimed at millennials. You might request a detailed plan in a table format, including example graphics. Enter a prompt similar to this, detailing your specific needs. Once your prompt is ready, click on the Create button. This triggers Gemini's processing, where it begins to craft the document based on your input. Be prepared to wait for a moment as the system processes your request. Typically, this doesn't take long, but ensure you're patient as the AI does its magic. It's important to understand that at times, especially with detailed requests, the creation process may take a bit longer. Remain patient and give the system a few moments to deliver your document. The wait will be worth it when you see the structured and well-thought-out content generated to meet your requirements. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully created a document with Gemini in Google Docs, completing the process from start to finish. With a bit of practice, this procedure will become second nature, helping you make the most of Google Docs' enhanced capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!